What's going on, guys? We got a no cool call out here. Condenser fan was running without, or excuse me, compressor was running without condenser fan operation. So came out here. It's a 45.5, pretty simple. The 5 is bad. 45 is running in the 30, so that's why the compressor is coming on with no condenser fan operation. But I see a ton of YouTube videos where technicians are going out, they're finding a dual run capacitor bad, they're swapping it out, they're not checking the indoor unit, not checking refrigerant charge, amp draws, voltages, nothing, sort of just swapping a capacitor, firing it up and rolling on. Some cases that'll work, but other cases there's reasons why these cheap capacitors fail, whether it be airflow or refrigerant issues, things like that. So it's always good to just check over everything. Not only that, in some situations like this one that I'm on right now, is you can find other issues that haven't caused a problem yet, that the customer isn't even aware of. So I'm going to pop up into the attic and I'm going to show you exactly what I found inside of this air handler. So I got the disconnect pulled right now, pulled the air handler door off, just giving everything a once over. Again, it's just a bad capacitor, super simple. 10 minutes in and out. You can see this thing hasn't been maintained very well. Pretty funky, but this is what I found when I took the door off the air handler. Cooked. Look at that. Now, like I said, there's tons of videos online where people just go out, find a dual run capacitor, boom, swap it out, turn it on, don't check refrigerant charge, don't check air handler, furnace condition, coils, nothing. Just basically swap out a capacitor and roll on. That would have 100% bit me in the ass on this. So just keep that in mind. Just because you see people doing it on the internet doesn't necessarily mean it's correct. You always want to make sure you look over the equipment inside and out, even if you're not actually doing checks. Just put your eyes on it, because you could see something like this that could cause a major problem, if not just a callback on you where you got to go back out for free to fix something. So just be thorough as possible. I know it's hot, I know we're busy, but just take a few extra minutes to look around, because more than likely it'll save your ass in the future. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.